All right, hey everybody. This is reset the maintenance required light on a 2017 Toyota Sienna. So first, I'm going to go ahead and just turn the engine on to on. And as you can see, maintenance required is going to be on. Now the first thing, and you can see that. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the odometer is set to trip A. So here's how you do it. You're going to push this button here a few times. Trip B, it's nothing. ODO, and trip A. Okay, so here's where you want to get it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the ignition back to off. Okay, and now we're going to hold down that button. You're going to keep your finger on it and just hold it down until I say let it go. So I'm going to turn it on, but don't put your foot on the brake either. We're just going to hold that button, and then you see the dashes there, 4, 3, 2, 1 dash, and it goes to reset. And now you can remove that button, and now the maintenance required light is reset, and that's great. Thanks for watching.